Airetu na makilia kauntaini ya Narok guteaniria githoimo kiao kumana na kwoha cia tene ni ithiete thii na o ni kuligana na murugamiriri munene wa thukuru wa Maasai Girls na uria utugiriitie akiuga riu arutwo nimacokereirie na gikiro kia igana kwa igana ni atariirie ati cieko cia uruithania wa mwana wa Airetu ni ironekanite kuongerereka thiini wa kaunti ino mero na gutariria atongoria a mwena uyu ni manyitanire na kuhurana na undu uyu niguo gutigirira ati mwana wa Airetu ni akorwo agithoma na niguo onake akorwo akigacira thiini wa muturire wake.
Are from the locality, so we have majority of the girls, like 90% are Maasai. Got 1,600 students as we report, girls, and as I've said, most of them are from Narok County. So clearly that's an indication that the Maasai and if Narok County have embraced education. It's no longer about coercing them to bring students to school. The fathers particularly have paid much attention to education of the girl child. We no longer have cases of pregnancy as it used to be. The county has changed, and currently we can report almost 0 cases of pregnancy in a term. So this shows that the community is ready to change and embrace education, because that's the way to go. Every person is directed that way. We appreciate that a girl child like Soipan from the locality has brought this change. She's a role model to the community from Leshota, a small village. So that girl is given hope that they can also make it from the village of the farthest end of Narok County that borders Tanzania, Oldergesi, Loita. We have girls from those areas. This is an indication that education is on another level. We have several girls who are being sponsored by Mama County. So as a role model of the county, and our MP for Narok North is also a woman, clearly this shows that women are empowered. So they are a motivation to the society and the girl child of the Maasai. So we appreciate the effort they are making to empower the girls.